Turtles are reptiles of the order Testudines, characterized by their bony or cartilaginous shells. They have been around for more than 200 million years and are among the oldest living reptiles on Earth. Turtles can be found in various habitats, including oceans, rivers, lakes, and even on land. Here are some key facts about turtles. Number 1. Shell. The most distinctive feature of turtles is their shell, which is made up of two parts, the upper shell carapace and the lower shell plastron. The shell is fused to the turtle's backbone and ribs, providing protection and support. Number 2. Different types. There are two main groups of turtles: marine turtles and freshwater turtles. Marine turtles, such as the green sea turtle and loggerhead turtle, live primarily in the ocean. Freshwater turtles, like the red-eared slider and painted turtle, inhabit rivers, lakes, and swamps. Number 3. Size and lifespan. The size of turtles can vary greatly depending on the species. Some turtles, like the tiny speckled paddler tortoise, only grow a few inches long, while others, such as the leatherback sea turtle, can reach several feet in length. Lifespans also vary, with some turtles living for several decades or even over a century. Number 4. Diet. Turtles have diverse diets depending on their species and habitat. Some turtles are herbivores and primarily eat plants and algae, while others are omnivores, consuming both plants and small animals. Marine turtles mostly feed on seagrasses, algae, and jellyfish. Number 5. Reproduction. Turtles exhibit various reproductive strategies. Most turtles lay eggs on land, digging nests where they deposit their eggs. The eggs are then left to incubate until the hatchlings emerge. Some turtle species, like the soft-shell turtles, can give birth to live young. Number 6. Conservation status. Many turtle species are facing threats due to habitat destruction, pollution, illegal hunting, and the exotic pet trade. Several turtle species are listed as endangered or critically endangered. Conservation efforts aim to protect their habitats, reduce threats, and promote sustainable practices. Number 7. Cultural significance. Turtles hold cultural significance in many societies and have been revered in different mythologies and folklore around the world. They are often associated with longevity, wisdom, and strength.